Welcome to this geometry lesson. Today, we are going to learn how to calculate the area of any regular polygon using a very simple and elegant formula involving the apothem and the perimeter. First, let us define what we mean by a regular polygon. A polygon is regular if all its sides are of equal length and all its interior angles are equal. Common examples include the equilateral triangle, the square, and the regular pentagon. To use our formula, we need to know a special line segment called the apothem, denoted by the letter A. The apothem is the distance from the center of the polygon to the midpoint of any side. It is always perpendicular to that side, forming a 90-degree angle. Next, we need the perimeter, denoted by the letter P. The perimeter is simply the total distance around the outside of the polygon. If a polygon has n sides and each side has a length of s, then the perimeter is simply n multiplied by s. Now, here is the magic formula. The area of a regular polygon is equal to 1/2 multiplied by the apothem multiplied by the perimeter, or simply 1/2 of p. Let's see why this works. We can understand this formula by breaking the polygon into pieces. By connecting the center to each vertex, we divide the polygon into n identical triangles. In this hexagon, we have 6 congruent triangles. Let's focus on just one of those triangles. The base of this triangle is the side length of the polygon. The height of this triangle is exactly the apothem. We know the area of a triangle is 1/2 base times height, so the area of this small triangle is 1/2 c times a. To get the total area of the polygon, we just add up the areas of all these triangles. If there are n triangles, the total area is n times 1/2 times a. We can rearrange this to be 1/2 a times n times. And since n times c is the perimeter, we arrive at our final formula. Area equals 1/2 a times p. Let's try an example with a regular pentagon. Suppose the side length is 8 centimeters and the apothem is 5.5 centimeters. First, we find the perimeter by multiplying 5 sides by 8, which gives us 40 centimeters. Then, we calculate the area, 1/2 times 5.5 times 40. This gives us a total area of 110 square centimeters. To summarize, remember that a regular polygon has equal sides and angles. The apothem is the distance from the center to a side. The perimeter is the total length around, and the area is simply 1/2 times the apothem times the perimeter. Thanks for watching.
If you like this video, hit that like button and don't forget to subscribe. Visit codelucky.com for more such useful content.